Greetings to STP Trading Brokers followers. Today I am going to teach you how to create a demo account. First, enter STPTRADING.io and click on Login from the top. Enter your email and password and click on Login. Enter the Accounts section to create a demo account. Well, on this page, choose Create a Test Account from the left side. In this section you need to fill in your trading account details. First, choose your account type, which includes Zero, Standard or Islamic accounts. In this box, set the currency unit to USD by default and in the leverage section, choose one of the options according to your strategy. In the currency section, select the amount you want to charge your account. And finally, click on Next Step. On this page, you must choose a password to enter your MetaTrader and repeat it once more, and finally click on Create a User Account. Well, your account has been successfully created. In the bottom box, you can see your account details, including the account ID, password, and server required to log into MetaTrader. You can also download MetaTrader 5 or use WebTrader in this section. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video.